Hey guys, how's it going? Today we are going to do just like a fresh face makeup. So what this is, it's kind of like a simple makeup look, but we're using more cream products and you just want your skin to look glowing and refreshed and rejuvenated. And that also goes upon what skincare you used prior. So what I used before doing all this was Tatcha's cleansing oil with their rice enzyme exfoliator. And then I also did kind of just a hydrating mask. And then I just used moisturizer and I used a moisturizing primer. And the one I used was the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Priming Moisturizer. So I guess I kind of just jumped right into this. So we'll just keep going. For my face, I haven't tried this yet, but I've been wanting to. It's the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. I've been really interested in this, so I'm hoping my skin likes it. I usually don't have any sort of issues with my skin when it comes to like reactions or things like that. So I'm going to try the shade Natural, and they have a tan shade. If I need to mix that in, I can. Oh no, Natural's the perfect shade. So what I'm going to do, spread this on my face. It's got like a moussey texture to it. And I'm just going to use my beauty sponge and blend it all out. Now with this being a hydrating cream, it's not going to provide much coverage. So if you're looking for something with more coverage, I would recommend the It Cosmetics CC cream, because that's got a good amount of coverage. I did my brows off camera, but this feels really nice on the skin. Wow. So far, so good. And then blend down the neck a little bit. Alright. I like this. I like the way it feels in my skin. Alright. Concealer. I'm going to use the Nars Soft Matte Concealer Pot in Custard. And I just dip my sponge right in. And I'm also going to put this over my eyes to basically prep them for the little bit of shadow I'm going to use. But I like using this. It just looks, it has a nice natural finish and I really enjoy it. Kind of breaking out a little bit lately. I think it's just from the gym. Because I only just started back up and my skin is like, what is happening? I went twice a day, 5 times a week before the wedding, and then I stopped after the wedding going in general because I just needed a break from everything. It was getting to be too much. So I took some time off. And then life happened and I wasn't even able to get back to it in general. So, whew, I need to get my mustache done. Whew. Alright, anyway, so that's done. Now I'm going to use a cream contour and I'm also going to cream highlight, but I forgot to grab them. I'll be right back. To contour, I'm going to use the Photo Focus Concealer in Dark Cocoa, or Cocoa. So you're just going to go where you normally would contour. Ooh, the shade might not be the best for me, but let me give it a go. Alright. Oops, sorry. You're good bronzing shade, actually. Not so much for contouring. So I'm going to bring this all the way up and more bronze than actually contour. Because this wind up being a pretty shade. I haven't used the shade in a while. And alright, so we're not going to contour today. We're going to just cream bronze. Don't know how that worked, but sure did. And then I'm going to go with the Champagne Pop Cream Highlighter and just go in where I normally would. And then once again, blend it out with my sponge. Look how beautiful and glowy my skin looks right now. I'm going to set everything with the Charlotte Tilbury powder. It's just a big fluffy brush. And we're just going to set the entire face. Because finishing powders don't add more coverage, but they help keep everything in place. Oh, there we go. Okay. Use a little bit of highlighter and I'm going to use Champagne Pop on top of it. Okay, and then what do I want to do? I'm actually going to use the Champagne Pop on my lid as well. This is the only shot we're going to use, to be honest. Oh yeah, that's pretty. And I'm just using my finger with it. Oh yeah, look how pretty and glowy that looks. Wasn't sure where I wanted to go with that, but I like it. Use some mascara. And I'm using L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Okay. Add some finishing spray, well, setting spray. This is just the Milani Make It Last. Covering my eyes since I just did the mascara and I don't want it to get on my face. Then to finish off, I'm going to use the Buxom Gloss in Sophia. That way it just makes my lips look plump and juicy. I've had this for so long, but I really like it. Alright, this completes the finished look. I know it's kind of similar to my first tutorial with the simple makeup look, but this was really focusing on like the skin, not as much as what I'm doing with it. Using a lot of cream products, so this is great for winter time, for dry skin, oily skin. The Bare Minerals Complete Complexion Rescue might be good for you since it's a gel cream, and gels typically work better with oily skin compared to like certain moisturizers because they become too heavy and things like that. You can always go to Sephora and get a tester and see if you like it. But for dry skin especially, I really like how this feels. My skin feels plump. And overall, to me, my skin just looks really dewy and refreshed. And I don't know, I just really like how this turned out. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.